Hi YouTube, today I'm going to show you a cool science project. This is a physics concept called refraction, the bending of light. When light passes from one material to another, it can bend or refract. In the experiment that you just completed, light traveled from the air, through the glass, through the water, through the back of the glass. Before hitting the arrow, any time that light passes from one medium or material into another, it refracts. It is important to know that it only works if you're looking at it from the right place. In this example, the glass is acting like a convex lens. When the light reaches the focal point, the image changes direction. Thank you for watching.